Welcome to Timothy Ishola Healing Garden, your space for natural wellness and calm. Feeling tired, anxious, or stressed? I understand how exhausting that can feel. Chamomile is a gentle, daisy-like flower, trusted for calming and healing for centuries. Sleepless nights, anxiety, digestive discomfort, or skin irritation? Chamomile offers a gentle solution. It calms the mind, eases anxiety, and helps improve sleep naturally. It soothes digestion, reduces bloating and cramps, supporting overall stomach comfort. It supports skin health, helping irritation, rashes, eczema, and gentle healing. Chamomile's antioxidants fight inflammation and promote overall wellness and balance. Mostly safe, but consult doctor if allergic, pregnant, or on blood thinners. Chamomile grows worldwide in Germany, Egypt, India, available in shops or online easily. Brew chamomile tea daily, especially before bed, for calm and rest. Apply chamomile oil or compress to soothe skin naturally and gently. Diffuse chamomile essential oil for relaxation. Make it part of your routine. Imagine calm evenings, peaceful mind, smooth digestion, waking refreshed and energized. Chamomile can help you reclaim peace, balance, and emotional well-being daily. Include chamomile in your life today. Watch stress, sleepless nights fade away. Have you tried chamomile? Comment below and share your experience with our garden family.